next assignment in slides is to learn how to add transitions. And maybe you already know this, but maybe you don't. So what we're going to do is open up the slides presentation and get rid of the name, untitled presentation, and name it your last name, slide transitions. Okay? And I have two windows open, as you can see. I have the instructions in this window. The instructions are in Classroom. And over in this window, I have my Google Drive, and I clicked on New and went to Slides. So you see that I have one slide here. If you want to make this window a little bit bigger, you could click on X to get rid of these themes, but that's kind of up to you. So the instructions say Open Slides, change Untitled Presentation to Last Name Transitions, add 3 blank slides. So click next to that plus sign, and there's 1, 2, 3. So now I have a total of 4 slides. One is a title slide, the rest of them are blank. And it says on slide 1, click in the box that says click to add title and type slide 1. And it says delete the other text box. And how you do that is you click in the text box, and notice that it's got this blue border all the way around it. Don't click on one of the handles that changes the side of it. Just click on the border of it. And then on your keyboard, hit delete. And it goes away. So all we want on slide 1 is to say slide 1. Okay, on slide 2, go to insert a text box, which is insert text box, and then type slide 2. So click on slide 2, go up here to insert a text box. Click and hold your mouse to draw yourself a little box and type slide 2. If you want to change the font or the size of that, you can do that. And it says do the same thing on slide 3 and slide 4. So enter and insert text box. And this is because with no actual information on these slides, they all kind of look alike for our purposes of learning how to put in a transition. So this is just so that we can tell what slide we're on. Okay, so we've done all the way through step number 7 here. So click on slide 1, and then click on slide transitions. Okay, and we're going to go down to slide 2, and right over here, I've kind of got my window small because you might run into this as well. I don't see anything that says transitions here. If you don't see it, you can either make your window larger so that you see the word transition, or if you're going to keep it small, you'll see it has the word more. Click on that, and then you'll see transition. Okay, so you click on slide transition, you'll see we're on slide 2, and it says slide no transition. Here are your possible transitions. You don't have one selected, so click on the drop down, and we have fade, we have slide from the right, slide from the left, flip, cube, and gallery. So just pick one of those other than no transition. So I'm going to pick slide from the right. Now I don't know exactly what that means, so you can go down here and you can play it, and you see it will come slide from the right. Okay, and click stop. If you like that one, keep it. Okay, you're going to add a different transition to slide 3. Maybe I'm going to slide from the left on slide 3. You can play that. You can also, up here on this little scroll sort of wheel thing here, you can move this to slower or faster. And then go to the 4th one and add something like that. Now, once you've got all of your transitions set, we did not add one to the first one. Up here on the present, you can click on that, and I'll make this all just a little bit bigger for you. You can click on present, and it came in on slide 4. So what you need to do is be sure that you go up here and click on slide 1 so you're viewing it from the beginning. Click on present, and there's slide 1. Now when you click, it slid in from the side. Click again, slid in from the other side, and the last one was the cube. Okay? And if you like all those transitions, you can keep them all and turn it in. If you don't like those particular transitions, go ahead and change them. But when you get done, be sure that you've got your last name slide transitions and turn this in.